Hello, good morning and welcome. Just a quick look at today's charts, and we had a really good trade last night. We were short the USD JPY, and I've just got out of it at about 113.50. It has dropped down a little bit more, but I'm now actually expecting a bit of a bounce, and then I'll re-enter it. So we're going to start with the AUD CAD. That's the AUD CAD. We're looking to short this. It's still going up at the moment. There was a bit of a sell signal there, which I took and I got knocked out of. So it's gone up a bit more. I think it might go up another 100 pips or so, but we're not that keen to get into that at the minute. So I've got other commitments elsewhere, and we'll move swiftly on to the AUD USD, which has popped up again this morning. I've taken that as a sell, and on my other chart, my members chart, I've actually entered that this morning at about the top, and we think it's going to pull back down. Pound USD. Excuse me, my voice is going a bit. Well, that's popped up nicely this morning. We're out of it. It's closed the gap, and it looks like so I've been told it's going to come back up to about the 127 mark. That remains to be seen. I'll wait, and if it gets up there, I'll sell it back down. But it's a swing trade to the north, and it's not really my cup of tea. Euro CAD. Yep, again, we're looking for that to swing long, and then we can short it. It's not doing a lot at the moment, so there's nothing to trade there. There's no good low risk, high reward trades, so we'll leave that one. Euro GBP. I was in that yesterday. I put a tight stop on it. I got knocked out, and it promptly moved further south. So I will watch it, and if it pops back up, I might well re-enter it. Up to date. Euro USD. I've entered that this morning when the excuse me, when the pound lost a bit of strength. The Euro USD popped back up. It's back up to the 1065 level, and I've shorted it. So we'll see how we go with that. But I think I'll quite quickly be able to put my take profit in on that, and then it's in the lap of the gods. It should go down. USD CAD. Well, yes. I thought we were on the way up yesterday. It's promptly moved down this morning. I think that's a good trade. Anybody who wants to enter. If you look at the RSI here, this on daily chart, it is just crossing the trend line. You know, I'd take that if I wasn't already in. Here we go, my little beauty. Yeah, I loved that this morning. I nearly took profit on it last night, and when I was up this morning, it shot back down, and I thought, yes, I think it's going to bounce at this 113 level. It bounced a bit on the way up, and then it bounced there, and I think that's going to bounce a little bit, maybe flag across here. I'm out of that. This is in the members center, and I've got a sell limit at 115. So I'm looking for it to pop back up, and I'll be back in it if it does. Euro JPY, yes. Euro JPY. I'm short. I've got a take profit at this white line here. There's my entry position. And it's all good news. I've taken quite a few pips on this. Where we go? I haven't taken them. They're in. 170, 180 pips. I think this is my target. We'll give it a bit longer, see how it goes. Might take that. Brent oil, it's gone up. I've entered here. I haven't had enough profit in it to put a take profit in, a sensible one. If it bounces back up to this turquoise line, I might put extra on there. I am bearish of the oil. It's the COT report for all the oils was bearish, but you know, that's over 2 weeks. So you know, I'm not in any hurry to leave the market, and that concludes for today. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. It's the 17th of January, and it's 8:28. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.